Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the best exercises to reduce fatigue and boost your energy levels throughout the day. If you're constantly feeling tired or drained, these 4 exercises are simple, effective, and perfect for any fitness level. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a full body movement that increases blood circulation and wakes up your nervous system. Do them for 30 to 60 seconds to instantly boost your energy. They're great as a warm-up or a quick fatigue-busting break during your day. Exercise 2. High knees. High knees get your heart rate up and improve oxygen flow to your muscles and brain. Stand tall and run in place, bringing your knees as high as possible. Try 3 sets of 30 seconds each. You'll feel your energy levels rise fast. Exercise 3. Standing side stretches. Tension and fatigue often come from tight muscles. Standing side stretches open up your torso, improve posture, and relieve stiffness. Raise your arms above your head and gently lean to each side, holding for 10 to 15 seconds per side. Exercise 4. Bodyweight squats. Squats activate large muscle groups, increase blood flow, and stimulate energy-boosting hormones. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower down like you're sitting in chair, and come back up. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps to feel revitalized. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can dramatically reduce fatigue and keep your energy consistent from morning to night. Even a 10-minute session can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout tip. Comment below which exercise you're going to try first. Stay active, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.